You're doing everything you're supposed to do, reading books, watching podcasts, trying to improve, but life still feels stuck, like you're running in place while everyone else is moving forward. You scroll through their wins, new jobs, happy relationships, big moves, and start wondering, what's wrong with me? Deep down it's not laziness, it's fear. Fear of making the wrong move. Fear of failing so hard it ruins everything. So you freeze, thinking if you wait long enough, maybe the perfect plan will show up. But that's the biggest trap, this belief that you need clarity before you act, that life has to be solved in your head before you're allowed to live it. Psychologists call it all or nothing thinking and catastrophizing. If the plan isn't perfect, it's pointless. If you fail once, it's over. This mindset turns decision-making into torture. But here's the truth nobody says out loud: clarity comes from movement, not from overthinking. You act your way into clarity, not the other way around. Life's path appears as you walk it, not while you sit and guess the map. Waiting for certainty is just fear in disguise. And while you wait, your brain starts spiraling. You compare yourself to people online who are playing a totally different game. You see their highlight reels and feel like a failure. That comparison creates pressure to be flawless, which just feeds more avoidance, more delay, more nothing. And to escape that pressure, we distract ourselves. We scroll, we binge, we stay busier with things that don't move us forward, not because we're lazy, but because we're scared to feel like we're not enough. And this constant loop leads to burnout, not from overwork, but from the emotional weight of doing nothing. Being stuck is exhausting, and the worst part, you start believing rest is only earned through productivity. So even when you're mentally drained, you don't let yourself recharge. Now here's how we break it. Not with motivation, but with 5 habits that rewire the way you operate daily. Habit 1. Clarity through action. Every day take one tiny step even if you're unsure. 1 email, 1 Google search, 1 minute of work. Don't wait to be ready, just start. Feedback from reality is what shows you the path. Habit 2. Schedule proactive rest. Block time in your calendar for rest before you burn out. Even 20 minutes of quiet is enough to reset. Rest isn't earned, it's required. Habit 3. Keep a progress journal. At the end of your day, write one thing you moved forward on. Doesn't matter how small. Tracking progress kills perfectionism and proves you're not stuck, you're moving. Habit 4. Define your own success. Every time you compare, pause and ask, what do I actually want? What does success mean to me? Maybe it's freedom, peace, health, not a title or money. Stop playing someone else's game. Habit 5. Set possibility goals. Goals that are small, daily, and connected to a bigger dream, not to impress others, but to cast votes for who you want to become. If you want to start a business, research one idea today. If you want to write a book, write 1 paragraph. Stop thinking big and doing nothing. Start thinking small and doing something. Feeling stuck isn't failure, it's feedback, but staying stuck is a choice. The perfect plan isn't coming, and you don't need it. You just need to move. You're not broken, you're just blocked. And now you have the tools to break through it. If this video hit something real inside you, like it, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, what's the one area in your life where you feel the most stuck right now? You are not alone, but you are in control, and it starts now.